Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Costco Stadium. First, you will need to access the game's main menu. From there, look for the Create tab, which is usually located near the top or bottom of your screen. This section is your gateway to all user-generated content, including custom stadiums like the popular Costco field. It's a fantastic way to add variety and a bit of humor to your baseball experience, offering a fresh take on traditional gameplay. Get ready to explore some truly unique ballparks. Once in the Create section, you'll want to find the Stadium Creator or Vault option. This is where players share their amazing creations. Use the search bar, typically found at the top, and type in Costco Stadium to quickly locate it. There are often several versions, so pick one with good ratings or many downloads. After selecting your preferred version, simply hit the download button. This process usually takes only a few seconds, depending on your internet speed, and then it's saved to your game. Now that you have the stadium downloaded, it's time to play. Head back to the main menu and start a new game, such as an exhibition match or a custom league. When you reach the stadium selection screen, instead of choosing a default MLB ballpark, look for an option labeled Custom Stadiums or User-Created Stadiums. Click on this, and you'll see your downloaded Costco Stadium listed. Select it, confirm your teams, and you're all set to step onto the unique field for some memorable baseball action. Playing in Costco Stadium is a truly unique experience. You'll notice the custom outfield walls, often featuring the iconic warehouse aesthetic, and sometimes even a food court beyond the fences. The dimensions might be a bit different from standard ballparks, leading to some unexpected home runs or challenging catches. Take a moment to appreciate the creative details players put into these designs. It's a fantastic way to add a lighthearted twist to your gameplay and share some laughs with friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.